dress up in this and come to where it blooms in the morning. What are you up to? Where it blooms in the morning? Is this some sort of puzzle or what? Where it blooms in the morning. Oh, forgot it. You're so sweet, Ethan. You're so sweet. Okay.
My lady, you look so gorgeous.
Thank you, my lord.
Tell me, how did you find your game?
Quite interesting.
Come on. Sit.
You did all this for me. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
You like it?
Like? I love it. And I love you.
I love you too. Thank you for coming into my life. You made me a better man.
Thank you too.
Wine?
Of course. Toast to
To love, to happiness.
and to us.
Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh, I mean, it's beautiful.
Mommy, I know.
Oh my God.
So beautiful and I love it.
My daughter,
Mom,
congratulations.
thank you.
I'm so happy for you. Bye.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh.
Thank you. I'm so happy too. Honestly, I want nothing more than to spend the rest of my life with Nathan. Mommy, this is a dream come true.
Exactly. I am so proud of the woman you have become. Okay, why don't you invite him over? Because I would like to see him.
Okay. I sure will. You would love to come too.
It's okay. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, your girl is engaged.
This is wonderful.
Your girl is engaged.
I can't wait.
Hey babe, that was a beautiful performance.
It was a flop. You should tell me the truth sometimes, you know.
You did great. You were so good.
My dad, he didn't show up again.
Maybe he was caught up with something, who knows?
I know the old man very well. He didn't just want to come. Maybe I should be used to him by now.
Babe, have you heard from the man? I think you should hear from him first before drawing conclusion. And again, baby, you need to chill. Look at you, you look so stressed.
Right. So, do you want to help me relieve the stress?
How do you want it?
You are so supportive. I like the way you support me.
Anytime, baby.
He's worked very hard for my company. If you do not quit this nonsense at once and come back, I will have no choice but to will your share of inheritance to him.
Dad, I understand that you don't like my career path. I would also get it if you never show up for me. But please, can you stop comparing me to my younger brother, Derek? We are two different people.
Yes, very different in all aspects. While you have failed in your chosen career, he has thrived in his as a successful marketing manager. I will not warn you again.
Babe. I heard everything. Are you okay?
How can a man hate his own son this much?
No, babe. That's not true. That is a father who cares. He only wants you to be successful. The old man does not understand the path that you have chosen for yourself. He only understands his business. Okay? Babe, it is left for you to make him understand what the music world is all about. And then prove to him that you can be successful in it.
Could he be right? I mean, I have pumped a lot of money into this career. 7 singles, and I have pumped money into promotion. We're still here. We're still here. Nothing has changed.
Shh, babe. Stop. Can you stop doubting yourself? I see how you come alive each time you are in that studio. And trust me, Travis, you are super talented. Your passion for this music thing is out of the world. Trust me, you will have a hit song soon. Sooner than you expect. Okay? Do not doubt yourself again. Promise me you will not do that. Come on. You'll be fine, okay? It's okay.
So, what do you do for a living?
I work with a field construction company.
And your parents?
They retired to the UK a few years ago.
My daughter told me that you are an only child.
That's correct.
I see. Please, don't mind my too many questions. My daughter told me so much about you when you both began seeing each other. I just want to make sure that my daughter is in a safe hand. She's the apple of my eyes.
I understand now. She's the apple of my eyes too.
Please, don't make her cry.
Come on.
Mom, I promise you, I will never ever make her cry. I love her. Oh my baby, What I'm feeling for you is real. You know that I'm in love. Stop.
What's up now? Why?
I'm not feeling it.
Why?
The key is low. I feel like my voice is... I don't like the beat.
Let's just hear it.
Oh my baby, what I'm feeling for you is real. I sound like crap, man.
What happened? You know what? I'll see you later. Wow. Travis, you don't expect me to continue keeping quiet. What was the meaning of that? Why did we have to leave the studio?
My father is right. He's right. Six singles. Michael, 6 singles, and it's been a brick wall each time.
Wait. So, this is what this anger is all about? Not the beat. Travis, I have told you severally that this thing takes time. You won't bump into your breakthroughs by releasing 1 or 2 singles. You have to keep trying.
I'm tired. Michael, I'm tired of trying.
So what's going to happen? Huh? Are you going to give up on your dream? Travis, we have come this far. We can't afford to go back. Look, you are one talented person, I know. All you need is patience. And as your manager, all I am asking is for you to trust me. Give me some more time. Okay? Look, we are going to win this. I need you to have some more faith in yourself. Travis, give us some more time. That beat was dope, man. Yeah.
Congratulations. Really, congratulations. I'm very happy that you are happy because you've made a great choice. Because that lady, Lydia, she's an amazing woman.
You can say that again, brother.
She is.
Whoa, man. It's not been easy, honestly. You know, the way everything ended on education and how chaotic ended with Andrew. Bro, I thought I would never find love again in this life. I thought so, but then Lydia came and changed everything. She changed my perception about love. She made living easy. She's so perfect, beautiful inside out, outstanding, supportive. Let me do everything. Trust me. And I could not ask for a better woman. Just
Yeah. I'm happy for you. You don't see me. I'm actually personally happy that after such a long time, you could smile again. I mean, I could see joy straight from your heart. You're very happy. Kudos to Lydia.
Thanks, man. Honestly.
Excuse me. I get my own too. Don't forget. You can't make me jealous.
No, I can't. Man.
Congrats, bro.
Thanks, man.
Congrats.
No, cool.
Wow. Mr. Travis. It's been 2 years, right?
That's correct.
The thing is, Mr. Travis, trends on social media, I mean, people are calling your music trash. Not me. I mean, you know how social media can be. I think in their opinion, they want you to quit. Okay, let's take Latif for an example. I mean, he's just 16 years and he's barely 2 months in the industry. But his first single is topping. The songs are everywhere, Mr. Travis. And you are 32. 32 years. So, don't you think you are too old for this thing? I'm not saying you should quit, but I think you should think about it. Have a second thought, Mr. Travis.
Your hair is really gorgeous. Kudos to the stylist.
Thank you. Thank you. But like I was saying, give it a thought. Thank you.
What sort of interview was that? Was that even an interview or a ploy to humiliate me further?
Travis, calm down.
Don't ask me to calm down! No. Mike, no try am. The nerves, the effrontery, the temerity to pass a comment on my age. What has age got to do with good music? And who the hell is Lati?
Well, he's a youngster who just debuted his new single.
For Pete's sake, I know who Lati is. Can you imagine? Comparing classy music with great lyrics to trashy street anthems? Really? Oh gosh, I'm tired of this country. I'm tired of this country and her whack taste for music.
Take it easy.
Mike, no more interviews. No more interviews, and I mean it.
Travis.
I could stand myself. You are most beautiful.
Shay, they whine me.
Come on.
Are you whining me?
No, I can't do that. No? I'm serious. Why did I have to white to deserve it? You're amazing. I love you.
I love you too, babe. I'm really glad that I get to do this thing called life with you.
Same here.
Yeah, I'll be at my mother's today. If she wants us to plan for that with the wedding.
That's great. Just take your time. Take your time. Don't forget to send my regards to my beautiful.
Oh, okay. Beautiful.
Yeah.
No problem.
Please, come on now. Okay, but I'm not as beautiful as you are.
I'll tell her you said she's not as beautiful as I am.
No,
Don't
don't
worry.
say that.
I'll spoil
Say
your
that.
market.
No, okay, wait. Okay, let me work the beauty.
Okay.
You're number one.
And who is number 2?
You.
Who is number 3?
Same you.
Oh my goodness. Babe, your man is swimming away. Damn! This house is paradise.
Why do you think I'm stopping this crazy ass? He is daddy's boy, and the old man is filthy rich.
Look at you. You have always had the big shot right from uni days.
Of course, you know me. I can't settle for less.
Never. Say that again. Now tell me, will you move in with him?
That's the plan. Because I'll move in.
My boy.
Forgive me, my darling. So, what do I offer you? Champagne? Oh, no, you can't do champagne in this house. See, let me tell you something. We've got a bottle of aged scotch. What a few $100 that has his father's name on it.
Okay.
Girl, I think we need to get Harry something. What do you think?
Give me something. Who will even say no to that? Don't spoil your girl.
I just did it. I'll be right back.
All right, baby.
Okay?
Look at you. Oh, God, when? Oh, jeez. This is nice. I'm not really feeling it.
So I've found the one. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wait. Like. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at the stones. Oh, the waistline. It will fit my curves perfectly. What do you think?
Well, I think we should go to Dubai to shop for your wedding dress instead of doing it online.
Dubai. I can't go to Dubai right now. I have a lot on my plate. I have to pick out the location, plan the wedding.
Babe. You love wedding planners. I mean, that's their job. Look at you, stressed already. When you first met.
But I can.
I'll play my desk and I'll cost 5 minutes. You need a break. Come on, please do this. Trust me.
Thank you
You're welcome.
so much.
You're supposed to wait, yeah?
When you plan the wedding could be this stressful.
I'll make it easy for you.
Thank you. You are the best.
Me too.
What do you think?
What I think? About what?
Thanks. 5K views. Come on.
I saw it's just 5K views.
Travis, this is the highest we've ever gotten. This only means we're making progress. It's a gradual thing. Come on.
Have you read the comments under that post? You have?
Yes.
And you don't see any problem with it? See, that lady from the press has made me a laughingstock. People are now making memes with me saying I have a frog voice, that I should quit music. Like, really? I've never had it this bad and you're celebrating over 5K views? Bro.
Look, stop reading the comments. Yes. Focus on the progress. Ignore the negative comments. It's simple.
Hey.
Hey.
Why is his face like this?
Well, the video he uploaded on TikTok has low ratings and some negative comments on it.
Babe, I thought we've been through this. I have told you severally to ignore online trolls. Ignore them. They're just jobless fools. And they do not want it, honestly. Babe, listen. I am sure that there are people out there who love your music, who vibe to your songs. Like me. Trust me, babe, I am your biggest fan and you know that. Come on. Don't be like this. Anyways, I want to go pick a few new outfits with my friend. I'll see you when I get back.
Okay.
Don't miss me so much. And please, get off this mood. Yeah. That reminds me. I have a pod with me.
Alright.
Love you.
Hold up. Travis, you now give her your card.
Yeah, she's my woman. Is there a problem with that?
Baby, I can't believe it. Look at me now, I'm driving Venza. No, wait, I had to put away seatbelt.
You're just so dramatic, Rita. Easy, so you will not bash Travis's car. Because please, I'm begging you, oh God.
Travis' car is your car. I mean, look at it now, babe. Meanwhile, you almost emptied the boutique.
What do you mean?
You almost emptied everything.
My darling, that one is small. What are you saying? And remember, the bill is on him, not me.
Babe, you're living my dream. Wait, I can't believe it. You mean you shop with his card, popping champagne, dating a superstar?
Hold it there. Hold it. Shh. Who's the superstar? Travis.
Yes.
The superstar. How? Superstars are rated based on their numbers on social media, and Travis has a very low number on social media. My God.
Really?
When you talk about superstars, you talk about people like Davido, Wizkid, Burna Boy, Kiss Daniel. Those are superstars.
Just talk about my OBO.
No, Wizkid, please. I'm a fan.
It's
okay?
OBO.
Okay, fine.
Okay, thank you. Meanwhile, tell me, you expect to marry him? Will you marry him?
Is that why you're reducing your voice? Of course I will marry him.
That's my God.
I will marry him. See, I must marry Travis because he makes my life very easy. You see this baby girl life? My sister. I must maintain her more. I don't want to suffer. I'll be suffering and they tire you.
You
So
don't
I must marry Travis, my girl. Whether he likes it or not. He will pop the big question and put the ring on my finger.
Mrs.
Mrs.
No, you know what? We have to call you Mrs. Money because you're marrying him because of money.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
You're marrying his money.
Well.
If they ask who is your husband, say money is my husband.
Oh, just shut up, please, and drive carefully.
Okay.
God.
This guy is really cool.
This guy is very stupid, I swear to God. What's this? Oh my goodness. Oh God. Babe.
Yeah.
Let's get married.
Wait, what?
Let's get married.
Wait, what are you saying?
Let's get married.
You mean it? You're serious, huh?
I am serious. What's holding us back? I love you. And I know that you love me. So let's get married.
Babe. I'm not ready. But you know I love you.
Oh, wait. you're not ready? Travis, what do you mean by you? You are not ready. No, tell me what you meant by you are not ready. Travis, we have been dating for 3 years. 3 whole years. So what is stopping us from getting married?
Wait, is this even a conversation we should be having now? Huh? Jessica, I said I am not ready. Come on. My life is still a mess. My music career is hanging on a balance. I'm not in good terms with my father. And this? Marriage isn't something I want to deal with at the moment. And I've said it to you. I'm not ready. Please, I don't want to have this conversation.
Really? Travis, do you love me?
Of course.
No. Am I just a plaything to you? And have always been?
Hey. Listen.
Oh, please don't do that. Don't touch me.
Babe. Jessica. We're still talking. G. Okay.
What's that?
Michael, he says I should check WhatsApp that I need to.
Okay. What is it? What's going on?
Oh.
Travis!
They asked whether they speak outside. I'm telling you, but I don't know. I just say it. See, now she be this. Now she be this. Now she be this. See now, let's be this now. Now she be this. Now she be this. People where they, all these people where they go church, where they do they say they go church, they go hold the pass. But see her now, see her. She pass here. She don't even meet anybody. Now she be this. See her. See.
Babe, I'm back.
Why did you do this?
Why did I do what?
Don't let that go. Tell me the truth.
How long have you been cheating on me?
Oh, Hold on. Cheating on you? You have never cheated on me.
Shut up. You bloody and pathetic liar.
Nathan! What has come over you? Why would I even cheat on you?
This is you, if I'm not mistaken. How? My parents, my colleagues at work, how do I tell them that my fiancé is a cheapo? How? Oh, who has a sex video flying everywhere on the internet? Lydia, do you even know who sent me that video? I went to the US. That's how far you've traveled.
Babe, I swear. I swear. I'm gonna help this video. You know, I'll never do anything like this. Never cheat on you. I'll never. I had no idea this video was made.
You did. Lydia, you did.
Oh.
You know what? I feel so sick looking at you right now. I feel like struggling you to death.
No. Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm so sorry. Please. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I make the video. I wasn't aware of the video. Just let me explain myself, please. Yes.
Tell me. That guy you had sex with, is he better than me? Tell me. Answer me! Is he? All this hard work was that she doesn't lack anything. When I finally married her, this is what I get.
Nathan, honestly, I did not expect this from Lydia. I thought she was different. I thought she was different from the rest. Angie and Trish. She turns out to be the worst.
I didn't just get it.
Sexting?
Who in their right mind makes sex?
I mean, how? How can you make a sex video?
Look, the question right now is, how did it find its way to the internet? Like, who leaked it?
Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? I told you to get rid of this video. I told you to delete it.
Hold on a second, Charles. Wait. Are you suggesting I leaked it?
Jesus, what's going on? This is crazy. Wait. You! Michael! So, you knew about this? video? Really? What's going on? Because I can't wrap my head around what is happening right now. What is going on? My goodness. You know what? I can't deal. Travis, you. Oh, I can't deal. I just can't deal with this.
Jessica.
Oh,
Jessica, come on, wait.
Let her go. I'm sure she needs time to clear her head. This is a bit too much.
Travis, I didn't do this. I mean, believe me, I have no idea how this happened.
Fix it. I do not care how you do it. Just fix it. I've been in the media way too many times for the wrong reasons. Right now, this would ruin us.
I'll fix this.
I'll fix this.
I'll fix this.
You, only you. For you, I gave up everything just to make sure you have the best education. The nicest things amongst your equals. So this is how you repay me. This is how you say, Mother, thank you so much for taking good care of me. Thank you for your sacrifices in my life. I appreciate you for all. This is your thank you to me. This is your wonderful package of thanks to me. Why? Why have you disgraced me like this? I'm asking you. Why? Tell me. How am I going to face people? I can't face them. I cannot face them. I am finished. You have killed me. I am dead. You have buried me. I'm a living corpse now. Why? What made you commit this immoral act?
But what were you expecting? What? No, were you expecting him to change? My dear girlfriend, a cheat, it's always a cheat. And Travis is a chronic womanizer. Were you thinking you would be able to change him? Come off it there. Don't kill yourself over a man. Just stop it already.
But he promised. He promised to change.
And you believed him. No, you believed him. Stop this thing you're doing. Stop it. That idiot does not deserve a single tear from your eyes. Okay, stop crying already. I'm sorry I raised my voice. Stop. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Sorry.
What really happened?
Where is the bastard?
I've not seen him in months. Honestly, I don't know he's like that. I didn't know at all. I'm sorry.
Why? Why would he do this to me?
My wedding was supposed to hold in a month's time. Now my fiancé doesn't even want to look at me anymore. Why would he choose to ruin me like this?
I am sorry, Lydia. You need to calm down.
Calm down.
We'll look for a solution.
I will make sure he pays for everything he has done to me. He will never go scot-free. Never.
Where are you going to so I can drop you? Should I drop you at home? I don't know. What were you thinking making and leaking such a video?
I admit it. I made the video, right? But I didn't leak it. I mean, this was a video we made for fun. And I'm stupid to have made the video in the first place. When I realized I didn't need the video, I deleted it. Trust me, I had no idea, absolutely no idea that video still existed. But May, come on, think about it. Let's be logical here. Why would I want to leak a sex tape that has my face on it? Why?
Well, my dear, that's because the society frowns at a woman's nudity and praises that of a man. She is going through hell.
I've asked my manager to fix this.
It's not everything that you can fix.
I'm buying it off the bloggers.
And those that already have it on their phone, how do you intend to buy it off them? I don't think so.
Okay, can I at least see her?
Really? That would be a very bad idea. Because she will kill you the moment she sets her eyes on you. Which I'm sure she doesn't want to even see you. Really, but why do you men do things without thinking? Without thinking of the repercussion?
Make matters worse now.
Please. Please, I beg you. Please, I'm sorry. I love you so much. This is one big mistake I regret. Please forgive me.
Forgive you? Lydia, you asked me to forgive you. If you were me, will you forgive you? Tell me.
I'm sorry.
My son, please. I understand that you are angry now. But please, this is something we can sort out.
Yes.
Calm down. Let us talk about what happened and plan how to fix things.
I'm so sorry, but we cannot fix this.
No, please.
We can't fix this. I mean, this is unforgivable.
No.
Mother, I am done.
No.
And I'm done for real.
No.
With respect. I'm sorry.
Nathan!
Did you see that? Have you seen the shame and disgrace you have brought on me? Have you seen how you ruined your life? Your miserable life? He has left. There will be no marriage. So, what am I going to tell your uncles? The church members? The people that have received invitation, what am I going to tell them? Shame on you, Lydia. Shame on you. Bigger shame. Oh, you are crying. You are crying. Better cry. Cry so well. You need to cry very well. Let's see if those tears of yours will wipe out the shame on you. Nonsense. Just look at you. Look at your miserable self. Nonsense.
Travis! Woo! Travis.
Has the video been taken down?
Not yet, but I need you to say something. Look. Guy, we are high on number. Your page had over 1 million visitors in the last 24 hours. And then look at your followers, guy. Your followers have skyrocketed.
I've been off social media for a bit. I didn't even realize.
Look, Travis. I know this scandal is bad. But then this scandal might just be a blessing in disguise. There is no bad publicity after all. Come on.
Really? So this is it. Now this whole thing is beginning to make sense. So you did the sex for you because you wanted to promote his career. Michael, where is your conscience? Both of you. Do you even have one? Okay, let me even ask a question. How about the girl in that video? Have you thought of what she could be going through at the moment? Have you? Jesus Christ. No woman deserves to go through this. No woman deserves to go through the shame of seeing their naked body all over the internet.
Come on, Jessica. I didn't do this. I didn't. Travis, don't tell me you believe this. Don't tell me you believe I did this, bro.
It doesn't matter what anyone thinks or believes. The deed is already done.
But I didn't do this. I didn't. I mean, why isn't any of you believing me? Jessica.
Michael, I don't care about the numbers. Jessica is right. No woman deserves to go through this kind of humiliation. Take down the video. I don't care. I don't care how many bloggers she has to pay. Just to get it.
You have been in bed all morning. Are you not going to have breakfast?
I am not hungry. I'm sorry, Mom. I know I have failed you.
You are very correct. But most importantly, you have failed yourself. Can you tell me why you did that?
Careful. Careful.
Thank you.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Don't worry, Mommy. I'll make sure I raise the money for your surgery.
It's okay.
Nothing will happen to you.
It's okay.
The doctor said it's colostomy and she needs to be operated on. We've been managing her condition with pills, but her situation is getting worse by the day. I don't know what else to do. The worst thing now is that her medication is almost finished and I do not have money to buy her new ones. I need to take her to the hospital. That's why I called you to... Hello? Hello, Lisa?
You sounded really urgent on the phone. What's going on?
It's my mother. Her condition is getting worse by the day. And the doctor says she needs to undergo a surgery. If not, she will not make it. May, she's all I have. I don't want to lose her. The thing is, I don't even have money for her treatment.
Lydia, you need to calm down, okay? She won't die. Nothing will happen to her. How much are we talking about here?
3 million.
3 what?
May, please, just loan me this money. I promise I will return it as soon as possible, please.
Are you listening to yourself? I should loan you 3 million naira.
Okay, I'll give you back with interest.
Lydia, I don't have such an amount of money. 3 million. Ah! Huh. I think I know where you can get such an amount of money. At least, gather some.
Where? Me, where is it?
See, there's this big boy that is hosting a house party. See, if you can come, you'll be able to gather some of the money you need for your mother's surgery.
Me? Do you mean prostitution?
It's not prostitution anything. It's just a small get-together kind of hookup. It's not hookup. It's just small hookup. Just you and me.
I can't. Me, yes, I am desperate, but I can't do it. I can't sell my body. Oh, I can't. She fainted again. How can you tell me you don't have money? Who else do I call? You're her sister. Hello? Me.
What are you doing here?
I'll do it. I'll come for the party.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be inside socializing.
It's just so noisy in there. I can't deal with all the noise, the smoke, the alcohol. The smell is nauseating.
Lydia, there are big boys inside there.
Oh, but they try to talk. How you go? I bring something for God.
Travis.
So why aren't you ladies in there having some fun?
Just came out here to just have a friend. Oh, Travis, meet my girlfriend.
Oh.
India, this is Travis, the host of this great party.
You are beautiful. That's why I love you tonight. That's why I'm gonna love you tonight.
Oh, that's the more interesting part.
Okay.
He's actually single tonight.
Oh. So that song is from my new single. I can sing it to you.
Go closer, go closer.
You know what? I'll keep your tricks. I'll get some from the car quickly.
Okay. Who's it?
I had to raise money for your surgery. I couldn't let you die, Mom. When I knew I could do something. Honestly, I had no idea that video was made. I wasn't aware of anything. I was drunk.
Why? Why didn't you tell me anything? When I was asking you where and how you got money for my surgery. Why didn't you tell me any of this?
How could I? I knew you wouldn't let me. I knew you were going to object, but I had to. I really had to. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry.
I'm I'm so sorry too. I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm really so sorry. I never knew. I was the cause of all this. You had to go through all this because of me.
It's not your fault, okay?
I'm so sorry. So sorry. My baby, I'm so sorry.
Hi, dear.
Hi.
You must really have some nerves showing up here.
Lydia, please calm down.
Tell this man to leave my house right now. I don't want to do something I would end up regretting. Get out. I said get out!
Please, I just
Get out!
I told you this was a bad idea.
I can see it.
Anyway, I will talk to her, okay? Just let her be for now. I'll talk to her. Then I'll get back to you on the right time to see her. Lily, open the door. It's me.
Are you insane? You want me to sit and listen to the man that ruined my life? What kind of a friend are you? Tell me, how much were you paid?
Paid? It's too bad you think so little of me. Listen, okay, if you two want to move past this situation, you have to have a conversation. Talk things through. Forgive him.
Forgive? Did I just hear you say forgive? Do you even realize what he's done? My entire life, my beautiful life, got destroyed within a twinkle of an eye. And you say to forgive? My marriage got cancelled. My mother removed as a woman leader and was given the back seat. Do you know how humiliating that is? And me, I can walk freely on the street without people pointing fingers and calling me names. And you want me to forgive him? Me, please. I am begging you. Please, do not get me more infuriated than I already am.
My son, the mistake has already been made. I feel that all of these are my fault. It's all my fault. If I wasn't sick, none of this would have happened. It's my fault.
He's a very decent kid. So decent. She's a good girl. And she loves you so much. She has never been herself since this breakup. Please, my soul. Please, I'm on my knees. I'm on my knees. Forgive her and take her back. I'm begging you. Please. There's no doubt about how good your daughter is. But the truth means that she will always be remembered as someone who made sense to you. That stigma will always be there. I do not want to be associated with it. I'm going to have this. A war among peers. I don't want them humiliated. I don't want people to start insulting them. They don't know what they're about. The internet never forgets. This is love is not enough. Some things can never be overlooked. But of course, some things cannot be overlooked. Oh, goodness me. We're talking about posterity here. This kind of stigma lingers for a very long time.
This decision I must make. I need to protect my kids and mom. I need to protect myself. I need to be free. I need to be happy. You understand me? You feel me, right?
I understand you, Nathan. I do. I got you. I got you, bro.
He wouldn't listen. Nathan is done. I suggest you move on with your life.
No. Mommy, no. Oh, no. Mommy, I love you so much. Oh, please.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. God will give you another man that will choose to stand by you at all odds. Nathan is not the man.
No, Mommy. Mommy, please. Mommy, you have to talk to him again, Mommy, please. Oh, Mommy, please, I beg you. Mommy, please.
Baby, you know, the turnout of this whole situation made me understand that one can't really say how certain things will play out. I leaked the video because I wanted to get back at him. Yes! unfortunately for me, the whole scandal favored him instead. And I don't know why he played out like that.
What did I just hear you say?
What did I just hear you say?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Jessica, you destroyed my life and the lives of other people, and you say you are sorry? So it's been you. It's been you all this while, pretending to care and be concerned. But you were orchestrating the entire thing. Wow.
Oh, Michael's phone. Michael! Michael! He left his phone. Why is his phone on? Is this not a security code? Well, this looks nice and interesting. Wait a minute. So these two went on a vacation without me. Wow, these are lovely pictures. They actually went to Maldives. They didn't go with me. This is not fair. What's going on? You son of a bitch! How dare you!
And Mike took the fall for it. I was blaming Michael for it.
What would you have me do? You weren't going to marry me. I have been the only one who stood by you when no one else did.
Because you had something at stake. You were benefiting from the thing the entire time. I told you I wasn't ready.
How would you expect me to feel? How do you think I will feel seeing a video of you with another woman making out when you said you were not going to marry me? How would you expect me to feel? Happy?
Who are you? I mean, I don't know this person standing in front of me right now. Because you are evil. This is just sheer evil.
You are so ungrateful, Travis. With your stupid and lame songs. Yeah, you heard me right. I wanted to put an end to your already dead career. But unfortunately for me, the scandal made you popular instead!
Jessica, I want you to go in there. Pick every damn thing you have and get out of my house.
Save the energy. You don't have to say it twice, okay? You are nothing. Absolutely nothing without your father's money.
I said get out!
Please don't push me!
Get out! Get out!
Jessica. Huh. You know, I never believed she's capable of doing something like this.
Michael, you know, I actually blame you for this. I blame you. How come you still had the video even after I asked you to delete it?
I thought I did. I guess it skipped my mind.
That was being careless, man. I was being too careless. And why the hell is your phone not passworded?
Come on, you know I hardly lock my gadgets. Come on, Travis, you know this. Eh? Huh. Jessica. You know I liked her for you. She was so damn good.
So pretentious, you mean?
I guess that's the right word.
Threw you out?
Yes. He threw me out. Please, can I stay with you until I am able to figure out what next to do?
Jesse, you know that's not possible. My boyfriend Ben is back and you're not trustworthy anymore. I can't have someone like you around my man.
Rita, it is me.
I know.
Jesse, your best friend.
Yes.
Okay, please, I beg you in the name of God. Just give me a few days. And I promise
stop it. Stop it already, Jesse. I can't let you stay here. Before you know it, your few days will turn to months.
Rita, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Rita, you know that I do not know anyone else in this city. Please, I beg you, do not do this to me.
Just stop. You should have thought of that already. When you were gallivanting around the city, spending his money from one shopping to another without making any savings. Now look at you. You had the opportunity. You had the opportunity, but you threw it out. Please, you can't stay in my house. Stop. Please. Just, you can go. Just leave. We are still friends. If you find a place to stay, you can holler at me. I'll come visit you. Look at her. She became a loser all of a sudden. You had the opportunity, the golden opportunity. You threw it out. You let it slip off your hand. Now you want to come and stay in my house. Rubbish.
Someone is here to see you.
Who is it?
Why don't you come out and see for yourself?
Okay. Haven't I warned you not to come here again?
I'm sorry, I just wanted to check in on you. I brought you something. I've been really bothered. My head hasn't been in a good place, so I just wanted to find out how you're doing. Have you been able to talk? Are you okay?
I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to see you. That's too hard for you to understand. Please get out.
Wait. Just give me a moment of your time. The video. It was my jealous girlfriend who uploaded it. I just found out.
I don't care. Get out. Leave. Get out. Take your stupid. Get out. Leave. Get out. Leave.
No. That young man, you need to listen to him.
Not you too, Mom.
He seems like a good man. He's sorry for what happened. Besides, he was not the one that leaked the video.
But he made the video. And without my consent. Tell me, what responsible man makes such video to push his career at the detriment of someone else's life? Please, do not talk to me about him again. Please.
I understand your anger. But mind you, you cannot turn the hand of time. You cannot repair the damaged. So, ease your heart and move on. Please. Lydia! Lydia! Lydia!
You are so stubborn, aren't you?
I made a mistake. I was silly, I was childish. It was quite idiotic of me to have made that sex tape in the first place. I shouldn't have. It was just a video I thought I was making for fun. Youthful exuberance, that's all. You know, a lot has changed since then. I'm a changed man now. I'm no longer that man that used to womanize and party just for the fun of it. Look, I know this may not make a lot of sense to you, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry for whatever embarrassment my decision and actions would have cost you. sorry.
You think sorry can fix everything? Are you going to restore my reputation?
Maybe not, but we can take it a step at a time.
We? When a glass is broken, it can never be fixed. Even if you try so hard to fix it, it will never remain the same. Until you achieve this, I don't want to ever see you in this house again.
Travis, this is not your fault. Look, I don't think you know this, but this is beginning to affect business. I think you should let her be.
I can't. This guilt is weighing me down. I saw the pain in her eyes. And I want to fix this. I'm going off social media. I'm deactivating all my accounts. I'm taking off my music from every platform. And I want to give every proceed I've made so far to charity.
Travis, are you mad? Look, it took you years of struggle to get to this place. You can't possibly throw away everything.
And it took another person's happiness to get me here. If my fame has to come through someone else's pain, then maybe I never really deserved it.
He brought down all his songs and donated the proceeds to charity. Yes, he even shut down all his social media accounts.
Did that?
Yes. Lydia, he's sincerely sorry. Please, no.
Sorry, I can't fix. The life is snatched from me.
Hey. You need to forgive him. He is trying. Eh? He's trying. Forgive him so you can move on. So can he too. Please. Please, Lydia, please.
Lydia, please now. I'm trying here.
Stop trying! Stop it! It won't change anything!
No, why are you walking out of me?
Don't touch me! Get out!
No, you're weak. You good? Are you good?
I'm sorry I pushed you. I'm really sorry.
Thank God.
It's fine. It's okay. Michael, please, can I get some water?
Right. Okay. I'll get you water.
What happened?
I pushed you and you hit your head.
Of course, I remember that. I was just wondering. And a while ago, you didn't want to speak to me. You just wanted to have me out of your life. But here you are babysitting me. So, what changed?
I was scared. I thought you were dead. I thought I killed you.
Isn't that what you've always wanted? That I'll be dead?
No.
That way you would have gotten your revenge.
No. Yes, I am very angry. But I wouldn't want you dead. Can't.
You need to see your face right now. Of course, I know you're not a killer. It's just pulling your legs.
Stop it.
Ow!
Sorry. I'm really sorry. It wasn't intentional. I came to see how you were doing.
Thank you for coming. I'm definitely doing better than yesterday.
Have you taken your medication? Have you eaten? Do you even have food?
Lydia.
I should have brought food. Well, I can prepare something. Where's your kitchen?
Lydia.
Easy.
Yes. I have eaten. And of course, I've had my medication.
I just feel responsible for you.
I mean, it's not your fault. It was an accident. Besides, fine. The truth is, if I knew that falling would make you talk to me, it's not your fault. It was an accident. Besides, I'm fine. Actually, if I knew that falling and hitting my head would get you to talk to me, maybe I should have done that. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome. But I haven't forgiven you. I'm still very mad at you.
I know. And I'm wondering what I'll do to earn your forgiveness.
You should go in and rest. I'll take it from you.
Go on a date with me.
What? You mean he asked you out on a date? What did he say? He said, don't say no. Don't say no. Did you say no?
That I will think about it.
What are you thinking about? Just say yes. Just say yes now, please. Say yes. I have a good feeling about this thing.
Calm down. Don't be faster than your shadow. I haven't even accepted to go on a date with him.
Why? Did they accept now? Who wants there?
Me.
Stop. You're so silly. Stop it.
You make me silly. You should be a comedian.
Me or you? You should be a comedian, not me.
Wow.
You know, I wish we drove a little longer.
Same here. Thanks for dropping me home.
You know, this past few days have been a memorable one. You made it memorable. Thank you.
I should go. Oh my God.
Wow. Wait, I'll get that.
Okay.
And we kissed.
Oh my God.
Oh, it was so magical.
Do you think you like him?
I don't think, Mom. I like him. I like Travis a lot.
Well, I have not seen you blush this much over anyone. Not even when you were with Nathan. I just pray that this beautiful smile will never depart from you.
Amen. Mom, stop.
Well, I'm off to sleep.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
Welcome again, sir. Lunch will soon be served.
Where is he?
Oh, he's in the shower. He'll soon be with you.
And what is your own name?
Lydia. Lydia will be, sir. Thank you, sir.
I enjoyed myself, especially the beaches in Korea.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Dad, I'm glad you enjoyed the meal. But I'm quite surprised, though. You never ate here. As a matter of fact, you would only come here to tutor me and leave.
He's really an idiot who thinks his father's advice is tutoring.
I'm sorry, that didn't come out quite right. But what's changed? You seem a bit different today.
The girl Lydia. Oh, I stayed because of her. She might just be the best decision you ever made. I think I like her.
I like her too.
Respect me more often. She makes such a sumptuous meal. Reminds me of your mother.
so deep, far beyond where the eyes can reach. We have come to stay so deep in love. We cannot let go. It's unbreakable when two hearts are bind together, all together. No matter what comes our way, we will be standing, never fall, and be ready to prove them wrong. 'Cause we are bonded, so bonded, and no matter what comes our way, we will be standing, never fall. Be ready to prove them wrong. 'Cause we are bonded, so bonded. Oh, 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 hey, yeah. We are bonded, so bonded.
Yo! Yes! 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 You
Ma, I know that past few months the past few months hasn't been one I am so proud of. And we've never really gotten to talk about it. I am genuinely sorry for whatever mishap I have caused your family. But I would like to get a chance to make things right again. I would just go straight to the point. I like your daughter very much. She makes me so happy. She has made me a changed person. She's made me a different man. And I would want to take her hand with pride. So I'm asking that you give her to me, and I'll be glad to spend the rest of my life with her.
Travis, that's your name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, regardless of the incident of the past, I still see you as a gentleman. So, if my daughter here is happy with you, you have my blessings.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
This means so much.
Please, please, please. Take good care of her for me. I mean for me. She's my only child. My everything. Please.
I would. Now that I have her, making her happy and taking care of her would be my only priority.
I see. Then it is settled.
It's your song. It's your song.
I'm feeling for you is real.